We'll start creating a formula. Page number 22. You can type a formula into any cell in your worksheet. A formula help you to calculate and analyze the data in worksheet. All formula begin with equal to sign. Earlier I informed you that when we start a formula, we should start with equal to sign. When we'll start with equal to sign, it means no error will come. Okay, so here you can see from the diagram equal to sign is there. Okay, next, what are the steps to creating a formula? We have to maintain, when we creating a formula, this thing should be in our mind, that row and columns reference number we have to note on. Okay, rows and columns reference number we have to note on. Here the value is in the name of the Rahul, and here it is starting from A5. Clear? It is starting A5. That means we have to see the content what is in A5. So our formula will start from A5. I will use a book here. Here it is A5 and B5. So in A5 we have alphanumeric, that means alphabet is there, and here we have numeric value. So our formula will start equal to, here it is B5 and up to last here is F and 5. Okay, then we'll write here F5, then our answer will print here. Okay, this is the way, it is called cell reference. Okay, once we'll put the formula, then again with the help of mouse we can drag it up to last where we have value. Easily we'll get answer. Okay, so these are the steps. Click on the cell where you want to enter the formula, type the equal to sign, click the first cell, reference. I told you reference here a B5, because our work will start from B5. So we'll put here B5 equal to B5, then F5. Okay, same first reference, it is called cell reference. Type the operator, like operator plus minus subtraction, we have to type the operator, then click the next, you want next cell, want to refer the formula, repeat 4 and 5 steps, and then we'll get answer. Okay, here will come equal to B5 B C5 D5 E5 F5. Okay, it will come like this. So directly we can also go like this, B5 and dot F5. No need to put here one by one. Okay, in your book it is given another method. I will teaching you shortcut method, B5 and F5. Then we'll put formula. These are the steps to creating a formula. Next we having entering a formula. Next topic we having entering a formula. You can enter a whole formula into your cell, any cell in your worksheet. A formula help to calculate and analyze the data in your worksheet. Click on, these are the steps to entering the formula. Click on the cell where you want to enter, type the equal to sign, type the formula and press enter key. Okay, it is called entering the formula. Next, editing a formula. You want to do editing in any worksheet. How this editing will come? Because when we change the cell reference, on that time we have to change in the formula also. It is called editing. It is called editing in the formula because we are going to change the cell reference. So here we have to put a cell reference Okay, change the cell reference. It is called editing the formula. It's a very easy steps. Double click on the cell containing the formula you want to change. The formula appears in the cell. Excel outline each cell used in your formula and different color. It will come in the different color. You can make change as per your wish in which you want to change the formula. And directly by the mouse we can also, by the keyboard we can also type. By the keyboard we can also type here in the formula bar if any change you want. Next we are having copying a formula. If you want to copy a formula, it's a very easy. Just you have to click the formula which you want to copy and take the cursor, take the position of the mouse where you want to copy, and same with the help of mouse we have to drag. Okay, like we have a copy here for formula, then we have to drag and it will come up to last. Okay, up to your last value you have to drag the mouse up to last. No need to again and again putting the formula. By copying it will be very easy and it will save our time also. Next we're having displaying the formula. Displaying the formula means to say you want to display the formula, you want to see the what is going on in the formula, then you can display the formula in the worksheet instead of resulting the calculation. These cell contain formula. By default Excel display formula. Okay, formula in result in your worksheet. The formula bar display the formula for the active cell. Click on the formula tab in the ribbon, click the show formula button. Okay, we have to here, it is called show formula. Here is one button is there in the formula bar. First we have to click on formula bar, then one button is there in the second step, show formula. We have to click here, then after clicking the formula bar we will get this icon. Okay, these are the different kind of formulas and we'll get information here. Okay, Excel automatically adjusts the volume, so adjust the width, column width to display the formula to clearly. To show the formula result once again in your worksheet, repeat step 1 and 2. This is the step 1, click on the formula, and second step click show formula. Okay, early it is so small, but it is given Excel automatically adjust the width, so the width will be like this. Okay, this is full chapter for your Excel formula. Hope you will understand. If you have any kind of query you can put in your comment and again we'll solve your query. Thanks students, we are doing work for you. You have to do, be touch in your study, do work whatever given by the school, daily check your messages. So you have to complete your work according to time. Thanks and have a nice day.